When you use Honeywell Total Connect remote services, you can enjoy benefits from wherever you are. Control your lights, blinds, and thermostat to enhance your lifestyle and save money on your energy bills. Leaving work early? Adjust the temperature from your office so you can return to a comfortable house. Want to let in an unexpected guest? Use your smartphone to disarm the security and unlock the door. Worried about a loved one? Receive video of important events on an iPhone, iPad, or smartphone whenever you're away. Connect to a more comfortable life for your family.